Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to make changes on the blocks. First, it's about size, how to change size. If I put the cursor on the block, as you can see, there are some small squares on the corners. So by dragging the block, I can make it small or big. Next, it's about rename. If you click on the name, you can have some changes. And I remove it, for example, here, and now type S. So its name is, the name of block is S. Then here I right click, there are many options here: mark, copy, paste, cut, comment out, delete, and format here, for example, which all of them are about that specific block. For example, now I go to format. Here we have font style. I want to change the font of my letters in the block. Here, as you can see, we have font style and size. I Helvetica font. Here it's Helvetica. I change it to Times New Roman, and its font style is italic, and size, for example, is 12. And now you see these changes, both actually letters, outer and inner, which inner is about the amount. Then we have format, foreground color. Here we want to change the foreground color, and as you can see here, I change it to green. Also its name, the color of name changed, and here we have background. As you can see, I change it to yellow. Then you have black shadow option. Also here we have show block name. If you inactivate, you can remove the name. Then we have rotate and flip. Here we have clockwise or counterclockwise, and as you can see, I can rotate my block, or even you can change it with Control R, and it is easier. As you can see, pay attention here that rotation is very important, because whenever you're programming, you should get the signal or give the signal and fit it, make it fit, and have a neat programming. You should rotate it. It is very important. Or here we have counterclockwise, flip block, and other things. Also in arrange, when there are many blocks, and some blocks will put on each other, you can use this arrange option and have something. For example, bring to front or send to back. Then we have mask and help option, which is common on all blocks. You can get the information about the block and use the help. When you use the help, you have description and data type, and where is the block, exactly where is its location. Also you have example. You can click on the name. For example, here I click on the name of this example, basic example, and you can see what is it, and also you can modify it too and see how does it work. Also here we want to know how to change the color of our screen here. For example, here is white, our background is white, and canvas color. Here right click canvas color, and there are many colors, and as you can see, I change it, for example, here to yellow. It depends on your project and you, what color you like and you need. Then is priority of blocks. In order to prioritize blocks, you go to display blocks, and here is sorted execution order. You can use it. As you can see, the priority of each block is shown here. For example, here we don't have the priority of this block. The reason is that this block is not connected to any other block in order to do simulation, so it is not in the process of prioritization. So if blocks are connected to each other and have common aim, the Simulink prioritize them. So first one is K, and then is display. It means that, for example, first the K should start the process and then display.